Hear ye, I return, I am back, good to see you. Yeah, you and you in the back, I see you too. Enough of the funny business. Now, basically today we're here to talk about something that all of you have been craving, something you've been wanting. And no, I'm not talking about money, though we want some of that, we want that too. But a smart home. Yeah, you want a Jarvis in your house.
I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence.
If you know what that reference is, good on you. If you don't, watch Avengers or find out who Iron Man is. Anyway, it's come to our attention that from watching a bunch of Zim home tours that a lot of people are interested in a smart home. And we're seeing a trend that in most of the videos, they're only talking about Control 4. And there are a lot of cheaper ways to get a smart home than Control 4. We thought about Control 4 before. And yeah, that's not in our plan anymore. We're not going to have Control 4 in our house. Though, Control 4 is a really, really good option. But to most people, you're going to be looking at that like, I don't have the kind of money to pay someone to come and install something like that in my house. So I have a few notes here. So if you see me looking down, that's basically it. I want to give you accurate information so that you don't come back and, why did he lie to me? It's all expensive.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know why I did that voice, but I did. Before we get started with that actually, here's a little reminder. We put out a video a while back where we were going to do a giveaway. We're still doing it. And so far there are 2 people who have answered the question correctly. Now, for all you new subscribers who did not watch that video, there was a simple question we asked, and if you could answer that question, you could win a speaker. I will show you what speaker it is at the end of this video, but I'm going to put out the question now, and the question was, how much were we quoted for our initial home theater build? Okay, how much was the quote we were given for the home theater? Now, so far, again, there have been 2 people who have answered that question correctly. So if nobody else answered, the running is between the 2 of them. 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, the running is between those 2 people right now. So one of y'all are the potential winners to that speaker, which makes it still a little bit harder for us because it's 2 people. Rock, paper, scissors. I will be for one person, the wife will be for another. Whoever wins that rock, paper, scissors is basically it. We'll find a proper way to decide who the winner is. But again, what were we quoted for our home theater? The reason we're doing this is initially we had said that it's the winner will be chosen when we get to 1,000 subs. And we're not that far off from 1,000 now. So this is just another reminder that that giveaway is still there. And right now, 2 people are in the running. So any one of you who wants to join in, here's your chance. Just in the comment section down below. By the way, there were 3 rules for it. And that applies to this video as well. So like the video, leave a comment. And to answer the question, that is the leaving a comment part. And subscribe. So just leave the answer at the bottom of this video and your name will be saved. And when we choose the winner, if you are the winner, yay! Happy for you because it is a fantastic speaker. We use that outside, inside. When I watch movies, it's what I use as well. It's really good. Anyway, back to the video where we will be continuing talking about your smart home. Join me. Alright, so back at the smart home thing. Now, I said there are cheaper ways to do it. And number 1 is this little thing right here. Amazon Echo Dot. This thing is fantastic. Okay, most people think it's simply just play your music, ask what time it is, who played the whatever team on the whatever date. It does so much more than that. Like with our house, we actually use it to turn on our TV. There was a setting that my wife made me turn off actually. When I'm close to getting home, when it detects my phone, the TV will turn on and some of the lights will turn on. Now, that used to annoy my wife because it would be a situation where she's already home, she's already watching TV. So, because I'm on my way home, the TV would turn off. And now, to explain why that happens is because this. Now, this is an IR blaster, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared. It handles all of that. This is what's actually controlling the TV, the AC, and all of that. Anything that is actually not smart but has a remote, this will control. And this will connect to this. This is basically a remote. It's a universal remote of sorts. And basically this has a system on it called Tuya. Let's see if I can get that. There's a system on there called Tuya. Basically what it does is it makes a hub for you, like a home control system where every remote that's in your house can be paired onto this thing. And it becomes your remote. And then this connects to your Alexa or your HomePod, whatever smart device you're using, Google, whatever it is. We connect with this. So if I say, Alexa, turn on the TV, this turns on the TV. Now, these are supremely inexpensive. Like, I'm sure if you look, you could probably find one in Zim, or wherever you are, actually. They cost here maybe the equivalent of like, what, $2? $2.50? Somewhere there. Really cheap. Really, you don't need an expensive one. All you need is one that has Tuya on it. And if it has Tuya, you're basically in the good if you also have one of these. Now, if you have, let's say, smart roller shades or whatever, this will also control it. As long as it has a remote, that will work. So back to the story. This will sense that I'm coming home. This is just a remote. So this knows when I'm coming home, it needs to turn on the TV. I need to relax. Don't judge me. I need to relax. This senses I'm almost home, tells this thing to turn on the TV. This doesn't know the TV is already on. And how do you turn on a TV? Power button. So, this being a remote turns on, or while my wife is watching, turns off the TV. Now, we turned that setting off. But, yeah, anyway. Now, the pros of Alexa is it's great because she talks to everybody. I can talk to her, your guest can talk to her, my wife can talk to her, and she will respond. You have a lot of skills that you can implement, jokes, voices, whatever you're interested in, you can make it do that. You can also start a very simple smart home. If you have smart bulbs, this will control them. If you have a TV, this will control it. With this too. But you need to pair them with this as well. And you can basically have a very simple, non-complicated smart home that works for you. That's just the bare bones, super easy way to set one up. And that's what we did. Now, one of the other things is with Alexa, everything goes to the cloud. So if your internet dies, bye-bye Alexa.
No. Wait.
It won't work. And that's why for us, we're switching to another system called Aqar, which we're going to talk about that. It's a tier above. So basically, it's going to be 3 videos. Here, we're just talking about your basic setup, something you could do right now for yourself that would work fantastically as a smart home. Because if you have this, again, anything.
Wait a minute, did you say anything? Anything. Anything? Yes, anything.
Absolutely anything. Whether it's a Bluetooth remote, it's a Wi-Fi remote, it's an whatever remote. This will control it, and then this will link to this. So now you can give voice commands. So AC units, if you have one, this will control it by voice. If you have a TV, this will control it. And the good thing is you can set these up in multiple rooms. So basically, if you have an AC unit in the kids' room and you see, my child is sweating, it's a hot day, Alexa, turn on the AC in baby's room. And boom, there you go. Look, I actually hope you're enjoying these voices because I feel dumb doing them in public. I usually just do these for the wife. Yeah, one thing, if you ever get to meet me, you will realize I do a lot of voice changeover things. Like, I do a lot of movie references, and to some people, it's funny. To other people, I'm immature.
Buddy, you're weird.
So basically, again, sticking with the topic, smart home. There are a lot of good things about using this. But again, you need strong, reliable internet, and it will work fine as long as that's available, of which here, that's not really an issue. But the problem also is with Alexa. The smartness of it is questionable. And I don't mean like, will she answer? Sometimes she'll give you a dumb answer like, I don't know what that means. And you're sitting there trying to show off to your friends and it backfires. You want it to turn on living room lights, it turns on bedroom lights. You want romantic mood. You know, you've laid out your dinner for your wife and then next Bon Jovi starts playing. But yeah, other than that, and it doesn't happen that often, so don't let my joke take it away. Like this is a great setup, and we use this all the time. AC units, TV units, just super basic setup. And also a great thing about it is if I message my wife and I know she's home, it's really good because if I send her a message and she doesn't reply, I can send the message to Alexa to check WhatsApp or check your email, and she will get that message. And you can set it so that it's loud enough so the whole house can hear it. However, you can make a phone call to it. You can pair 2 of these actually and make a home studio where you can have multiple rooms playing the same music. I still prefer the HomePod for that, but you can get the bigger one, the Echo Sub, which has a lot more bass. It's a little bit bigger, and the sound is just really good. So if you don't want to buy like expensive speakers, you can put this, 2 of them, by your TV. Have really good audio that is also controlled by voice, and it works really well. Though for us, we're not doing that because we want a little bit more of a robust sound because of the size of the space that our main TV is going to be in. Maybe in the second lounge we might do something with 2 of these, or maybe not. We'll see. Could be a sound bar. But yeah, basically, I'm going to do 2 more videos. This one was just for like an ultra budget way for anybody to start a smart home. Because Control 4, one of the things I don't like about Control 4 that research taught me was you need somebody to come in and install it. If you want to add something, a room or a feature. You need someone to come in and do it for you. But with stuff like this, you can do it by yourself. It's 2 minutes. And that's the same thing with the car system we're going with. We don't need somebody to come in and add things, take things, whatever, make changes for us. We can do that on our own. So this is part 1. Be ready for part 2, where if you have just a little more money, there's a little bit more money. There's methods with the car system that will elevate your smart home to a level that will make your friends say, "Oh my God, Jeffrey, this is amazing." I'm gonna stop that voice. Now, with the car, you can still use Alexa because there's something called Matter, which I'll touch on when I'm talking on the car video. That will help you in a lot of ways. So look forward to that video, and I will explain all of that a little bit later. Yeah, so for now, get yourself an Echo Dot, get yourself a HomePod Mini, a Google, whatever the Google thing is called, because I don't do Google. Get yourself this little puck. It's really, really good. If you want like a super basic smart home of your own, it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. You can do it for less than $100 with stuff you already have in your house, and all you'd be adding is 2 things. Okay, 2 little speakers and a sensor, and you are done. You have a super basic smart home that won't embarrass you, but at the same time, it won't hurt your pocket. Just to recap, Control 4 is not your only option. This is video 1 in a 3-part video. And, well, in the last one, we are going to talk about Control 4 anyway, because I don't want you guys to think that I'm talking down on Control 4. Control 4 is really good. It's just...
Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
It'll aid you on that pocket. It has its advantages and disadvantages. So, yeah, look forward to the videos coming up. And for now, just a quick reminder, we do have that giveaway. We don't just want 2 people. Well, if they're the only 2, one of y'all walking away with that speaker. So, again, the question, what were we quoted for our home theater? The initial home theater. Well, put the answer down in the comment section below. If you have any other questions about this or this, put that also down in the comment section down below. I will be answering questions. If you have any other questions, tech related, because that's my side of thing. If you're wanting to find out more about this stuff, tiles and whatnot, yeah, talk to the wife. I know tech. She knows floor colors, WPC, and all that other stuff. From me to you is peace. We'll see you in the next video. And Tanato, click that like button. You. Now my ningy, up that bell. Click that too. And everybody else, like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.